delighted, and also Prashant and Mr. Yashwant and all of us are delighted, and for several reasons. One, of course, that our arguments have been accepted, and the peculiar arguments of the Attorney General have been set aside. That these are stolen documents. Well, by that very thing you are saying they are genuine documents. Then no, it concerns defence. Precisely because it concerns defence, you must look at it. Oh, Official Secrets Act. But Official Secrets Act cannot be used as a dhoti to cover your misdeeds. So it's wonderful that the court has rejected these arguments, and that has significance for Rafale. It has significance for our review petition, which the court has said it will hear, and it has very great significance for us as journalists who work to ensure accountability in the country. Because these are the standard things which governments use to prevent investigation and to prevent the courts from looking at the facts. So therefore it will be very interesting to read the text of the judgments of the Chief Justice and of Justice Joseph as to how they bear on accountability and on the duty and opportunity of us professionals to bring facts before the court. First is intimidation. What did the Attorney General say in court? I was astonished. I mean, I have known Mr. Venugopal maybe for 40 years. And he said, not just the paper, not just the journalists, but the advocate and the petitioners will be actually I think he said will be proceeded against. And I had at that very time said that this is contempt of court. You are intimidating the petitioners not to bring the facts before the court. So that is one point, that this intimidation has not worked with the court. Second point is that the standard defense that these are stolen documents and so on, the answer to that was that look here, when somebody does something wrong, do you think he is going to take out full page advertisements in newspapers and say, look here, I have done this, that and the other wrong? He is going to hide things. He is going to dress up the files and then lock up the files. So it is our duty as citizens and as journalists to excavate that file. And it's wonderful if a conscientious officer who is outraged by the outcome of what the government has done, he releases that information one way or the other. And the court has now accepted that. The court had accepted it in previous judgments also, which Prashant and Rahul and others had placed before the court. So the court has stuck to that position, that it does not matter how the evidence has come to us. What matters is it genuine and is it relevant? The genuineness was proven by the Attorney General himself saying these are stolen, such a giveaway, and secondly that they were relevant is obvious. That's why it's very important for all of us and for responsible journalists and media outlets to examine the text of the judgments. And that's so they supplement our other arguments which said that the government both misled by falsehoods and then misled by suppressing material facts from the court. And therefore we had said that one is review petition and tagged on to that is another petition for perjury. These people misled you, you must punish them for perjury. That they are all contained in the review petition, which is a public document. They are originally also that they told the court that yes, all things were concluded and all processes completed by, let us say, August 21. And actually they hid from the court that there was a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security on 23rd of September in which 9 changes were made, some of them retrospectively on offsets. Right. The corruption clause was removed. Prashant is the best judge of that. They know, Rahul, they know the procedures, I don't know the procedures. But I am sure that the court would like to examine all evidence that comes before it. My principle for 40 years has been just don't let go. Keep at it, and information will keep coming forward and something new will keep sprouting from here and there. This story that Quint wrote the other day about yet another joint venture which HAL had signed, and on the most complex part of the whole project. And now the government is saying HAL is no good. So if 20 media outlets and 30 journalists keep at the story, my friend, all the facts will keep coming out one after the other.